covering the installation of Rustbuster's center section with skid plate mounts for the TJ Wrangler. Before you begin, if at any point you are uncomfortable with any of the processes, we strongly suggest you seek out the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the required tools listed, and ensure you follow all the manufacturer's safety precautions and operations while using them. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards, such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting, and remove any fire hazards from the work area. Step 2. Lift your vehicle and support its rear axle with jack stands for driver and passenger sides. Step 3. Remove any factory or aftermarket steps or guards. Remove the 6 transfer case skid plate bolts using an 18mm socket. Mark your cut line by marking down 1.5 inches from the top of the frame rail on the inside and out. You'll do this from the frontmost body mount bracket to the rearmost body mount bracket. Step 4. Begin cutting away the frame rail along the drawn line. Step 5. Test fit the part by attempting to push the part into place and over the frame rails. Take note of any difficulties and cut away any obstructions. The part may fit snugly and require force. Step 6. Once the part has been fitted, prepare your weld zones by clearing away any rust or debris, revealing bare metal. If you wish to coat the entire part, coat the part with a weldable primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation at this time. Replace the part and seat clamp and tack weld it into place to prevent it from moving later. Step 7. Remove any remaining potential fire hazards from both the vehicle and the surrounding area. Following proper welding procedures, begin welding the part onto the frame rails. 100% weld around all edges. Step 8. Begin reassembling your vehicle, starting with your skid plate. Reinstall any steps or guards. Reinstall your gas tank, cords, and tubes. Reconnect your battery, and you're done.